In this lecture, we are going to discuss adjusting for special circumstances. Many times, special circumstances or contingencies can arise which may affect the budgets. Budgets are meant to be guides and should be regarded as flexible. Of course, the budget should not be changed randomly or whenever something happens. In order to address unforeseen circumstances, it is best to build in a cushion for the risks. This technique is used commonly in project management budgeting. Project managers know that special circumstances or risks could happen any time. Here are some steps you can take to determine if you need to budget for additional special circumstances or the risks.